But now we're going to hear from and learn more from our research and development specialist, Emmalee Gisslevik. Now, she's a lady who has got a PhD in nutrition. She specializes in fatty acids. Isn't that exciting for us? And over the last few months, she's been teaching at the University of Gothenburg with a major focus on omega-3s. Emmalee, we are so excited about hearing from you, and you're going to help us all to focus on the importance of these fatty acids and, most importantly, the premier oil product that we can now get our hands on.
Today I'm going to talk about the Balance Oil Premium, which is Zinzino's most revolutionary balance oil so far. And there are several extraordinary key characteristics that distinguish Balance Oil Premium from other omega supplements on the market. But before we go into the details about the Balance Oil Premium, let's talk about balance oil from a health perspective. In most parts of the world, a poor diet is one of the top dietary factors influencing metabolic disorders and early mortality. And from a nutritional perspective, the evidence suggests that certain diets have beneficial effects and improves metabolic profile, often referred to as high-quality diets. And perhaps the most recognized high-quality diet is the Mediterranean diet, in which olive oil is considered a key component and is the main source of dietary fat. And olive oil is believed to be responsible for these health benefits because it is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which is known for its ability to improve your lipid profile. And olive oil is also high in antioxidants, such as polyphenols. Polyphenols are a group of phytonutrients which are produced within plants as they grow. And polyphenols has powerful antioxidant properties and protect blood lipids from oxidation. Studies have shown that a regular consumption of extra virgin olive oil gives improved lipid profile by, for example, lowering total cholesterol and protect your blood LDL cholesterol from oxidation. And similar health benefits are also shown when we increase the amount of marine omega-3 fatty acids, namely EPA and DHA in our diet. This is because the omega-3 fats are incorporated in every cell in our body, and by incorporating omega-3 fatty acids in membranes, they modulate cellular function and gene expression. And how much of the omega-3s that's being incorporated into your tissue depends on your dietary intake. And many studies have shown that DHA and EPA benefits heart and brain health because of their tendency to reduce blood pressure and prevent blood clotting. But what we also know is that olive oil acts synergistically with fish oil. The combination of the two increase the stabilization, the absorption, and the incorporation of the omega-3 fatty acids into the cell membranes. And this is because the polyphenols in olive oil binds to these fragile omega-3s, and they act as effective antioxidants, preventing these lipids from oxidating. And also, the polyphenols in olive oil mimic the polyphenols that was originally found naturally in the fish before it was removed in the refining process. And the olive oil polyphenols and the marine lipids collaborate in a highly synergetic way and make it possible for the body to safely absorb and adjust and maintain the omega-3 levels above the required 8% necessary to achieve balance. That means that combining fish oil and high phenolic extra virgin olive oil have more beneficial effects than consuming these oils in isolation. And that is why the balance oil is superior to any other pure fish oil on the market. But now let's focus on the Balance Oil Premium. The Balance Oil Premium contains olives that has exceptionally high phenolic content. It is made with Revo, our revolutionary extra virgin olive oil. It has exceptionally high phenolic content because it is made from certified Kornacki olives, which is known for its high levels of polyphenols. These olives are grown on organic trees, which means they have enhanced stress responses, which make these trees produce high amounts of phytonutrients such as polyphenols. And in their commitment to preserve as much phytonutrients as possible, the Revo olives have been processed with a unique processing technology. And this is designed as a closed processing system, meaning they maximize the control for unwanted oxygen, water and heat. And this is an industry-leading innovation. In this way, all types of phytonutrients are preserved and kept at exceptionally higher levels. The result is a full spectrum of phytonutrients produced without any alteration or centrifugation. And Revo is actually up to 30 times higher in bioactive phytonutrients compared to standard extra virgin olive oil. And some of the major polyphenols in olive oils are hydroxytyrosol, which is one of the key active ingredients responsible for the many health benefits attributed to olive oil. And it has been described as the most powerful antioxidants among the polyphenols of olive oil. Hydroxytyrosol has the ability to easily cross the cell membranes to protect the polyunsaturated fatty acids. And they are especially known for protecting blood lipids from oxidative stress. The European Food Safety Authority, EFSA, has published a health claim about the role of hydroxytyrosol in protecting LDL from oxidation. And they state that a daily intake of 20 grams of olive oil, which contain at least 5 milligrams of hydroxytyrosol and its byproducts, provides these beneficial effects. The Revo oil has about 26 milligrams per 20 grams of oil. The next polyphenol is oleocanthal. And oleocanthal is the sting or the peppery sensation that you feel when you taste the olive oil. And amongst many other things, it is shown to be anti-inflammatory and have similar properties as commercial painkillers. It has these properties because it inhibits the two enzymes, COX-1 and COX-2, that are responsible for triggering pain, inflammation and fever. The third polyphenol that I want to tell you about is oleuropein, found in the skin surface of olives. Oleuropein is known for its blood pressure lowering effect and other unexpected benefits. One of them is it is believed to improve the oxidative stress reaction in your gut after a meal. And this polyphenol is often close to zero in other olive oils because they wash it off, because it has a bitter taste that is unwanted. But since it has so many health beneficial properties, the Revo oil has preserved these polyphenols and have about 20 milligrams per kilo. Squalene is not a polyphenol, it is a polyunsaturated hydrocarbon and has become a hot topic in research. Squalene seems to have remarkable properties with several interesting activities. It is involved in providing oxygen to cells, which can have a detoxifying effect on the blood. Higher cell oxygen levels provide more efficient energy metabolism. And squalene is believed to have many other health benefits, such as helping to break down blood clots, reduce allergic reactions, and have anti-inflammatory agents, and much more that currently are under investigation. Perhaps a more compelling comparison is between a daily recommended dose of olive oil, which according to EFSA is about 20 grams per day, and compare that against an average recommended daily dose of 12 milliliters of premium oil. So as you can see, you will get greater amounts of the key bioactive components from only 12 milliliters of premium than in 20 grams of standard extra virgin olive oil. So that is how nutrient dense the new premium oil is. And add to that the health beneficial amounts of omega-3 and vitamin D. And to sum it up, a daily intake of both olive oil polyphenols and marine omega-3s are vital factors supporting human health and development. Balance Oil Plus Premium is a high phenolic omega balanced food supplement with a scientifically tested concentration of extra virgin olive oil, only to be found in the Premium Balance blend. And with the innovative blend using Revo, this oil has a wide spectrum of phytonutrients, which has a major health supporting properties. These exceptionally preserved amounts of polyphenols in the Balance Oil Plus Premium enables more efficient and effective absorption and blood lipid protections than ever. So all Cincinus Balance oils benefit your health, since they contain both the proper amounts of omega fatty acids and sufficient concentration of polyphenols. But if you are choosing an olive oil or a balance oil for superior health properties, higher bioavailability and exceptional quality, you choose Balance Oil Plus Premium.